Bex? What the hell are you doing here? Please leave my matrimonial room.
Bex, I don't know what's going on, but I'm hoping that we can at least talk. And you say in your room. Bex, we've never had restrictions between each other. So why now?
Leave my matrimonial room, Loveling. I'm not going to say it again.
You and Chris are not even married. Nelson and I were married, but that didn't stop you from entering my room. So why are you saying this right now?
Oh, you're done? Leave. Don't make me push you. I'm begging you with God, Loveling.
Did I do something? If I did, tell me.
There you go again, Mrs. Nelson. Look, I'm not going to exchange words with you. I'm not in a good mood. So just get out. Move away, far away. Don't even come close to me, yeah? Go! You horrid snake.
Snake?
Yes! You are nothing but a snake, Loveling.
Since when? Since Nelson died? Bex, thank you so much for letting me speak. It's okay.
I'm really sorry about everything, alright? But please
nonsense.
stay, okay? So you want to leave? How do you cope? Huh? You need us, okay? You need us to watch over you.
For how
to care
long?
For you.
For how long? At some point, I'm going to have to be by myself again. So I might as well just start now. Besides, I'm doing way better.
Please. But you don't
It's
have to
fine.
leave.
It's fine, Chris.
Come on. You don't have to leave. Come on. Do see. Listen to me.
Chris, it's so kids.
Such a cold world without you. Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces. There's no room to fix it again. To fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you?
Oh my god! I still can't believe it, man.
Like, some people can be so dumb.
This is quite hilarious.
I tell you. Guy, please. I don't want to choke. It's fine.
Easy, bro.
I'm fine with it. But honestly, I must say that this food is sumptuous.
Oh, yeah.
I personally think that you should own a restaurant, you know, because this that you do is a gift.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is exactly what I told her.
Oh, yeah?
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, hey. You're talking. My baby girl is a baddie. What are you saying? A baddie. The meal is really nice.
Okay, so this is where we make the toast. A toast to
Friendship.
love.
Love.
Lifelong, like money.
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 Very important.
Yeah, so,
Cheers.
cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god.
Maybe give me that one.
Okay.
Chris,
You can have as much as you want.
you remember the other thing I told you the other day?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Why?
Not yet.
That's not possible.
Chris, I think it's high time you started paying me to be a nanny because explain to me why I cook as if this is a grown woman.
But please be serious. I'm not trying to be serious. Oh, sorry. No, I didn't.
See my man.
Yeah. I didn't mean that. No, I didn't mean that. Yeah, baby. I didn't mean that.
Okay, that's it. Table manners. No more talking. Everybody eat.
So Chris, you said table manners.
It's our language.
Please, when you guys are leaving, carry your new flatmate. Your new tenant. Take him with you.
No, understand.
That's what I thought.
So Chris, what about that? Hey.
Are you going to keep talking? Or are you going to keep quiet?
Keep quiet, Oga. Unless you want to sleep for palo.
Sign language.
They stop.
Really? Really? Couch! 3 days! What is the
What are you doing?
Yes. See, we talked about my wife opening a restaurant. Yes, and it has been on my mind for a while.
So you want to open a restaurant for her?
Yes, but I want it to be serious.
Let's go talk about it.
It has to be.
Babe, let's go!
Exactly. I just came to see you. So no. You said you were going to spend the night and then we're going to catch up. So why are you changing your mind now?
I'll be spending night tomorrow.
What do you mean tomorrow?
Come on,
today. No. From tomorrow you can stay with him.
You know I just came to see you. Just give me some time to spend.
Okay, I'm going to make your favorite. Vanilla and cookies.
Okay, you will do it tomorrow.
No, today. Baby, wait. Are you going to stay? Best is over why you go to follow man like this? Stay with me. Stay with your bestie. Baby, Shh. Are you going to stay or not? You stay. Baby, I'm going to stay. I'm not playing with you.
Okay, sorry, I'll stay.
Don't run.
I'll hold on. Okay. Why are you holding my waist like
Yeah, because you might run.
Okay, I'll buckle my
Wait, baby, how can you leave me here like this? Your baby has gone.
Babe, where have you been?
I was on the phone with Becky. Can you imagine? She's asking me to cook for them for a week. As what? They're private chef.
I guess that's because they enjoy your meal.
I don't care. I'm not doing it.
What do you mean you're not doing it when they've paid you already?
Paid me? Where? Did I show you any alerts? Paid me what? They didn't pay me. I'm not doing it.
You must have to do it.
I'm not doing it.
You must have to do it.
Come out for me. I'm not doing it. You, why don't you go wear an apron and cook for them? You think cooking is easy?
You have to do it, babe.
I'm not doing anything.
You have to do it.
Babe, I'm not cooking for them for a week. Ugh.
That reminds me.
What?
Why were you stopping Becky from going home?
Because I wanted to have girl time.
I don't understand. And for that reason, you kept Chris and I outside.
Babe, I didn't stop you from having boys' time with Chris. So why are you complaining about me and Becky?
Oh. For that reason, huh?
Mm.
I'm going to check your temperature tonight.
Which temperature? Look at this for your doctor. You think I don't know your tactics? Which temperature?
No. Your temperature needs to be examined.
Which temperature? I mean, leave me alone. After telling me why I had gas, leave me.
How can you?
You're not getting any. Don't check any temperature.
How can you possibly deny me something I paid wholesale for?
Huh? Leave me alone with this man. Leave me, babe. Please stop.
So you started cooking without me, baby?
What do you mean? I don't know what you were doing upstairs. I had to come upstairs. Smells nice, huh?
Yeah, baby. So?
What?
You cooking, even though I told you that I was going to do the cooking today?
But I had to. I was hungry. I had to come and make something.
Okay. Now, this is what we're going to do. You're going to shift, and I'll finish the cooking.
Come on, babes. I'm almost done. Don't worry. Just go and relax.
No, babe. No, I'm doing the cooking, so you're taking off this apron for me.
Okay. Wait. Just wait.
Wait for what?
Get your other apron. Then you join me. You just dish out the food. You do.
Okay. I'm getting it. All right. Babe. Oh my God. Oh my God. Baby. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. I'm getting you. Hi, Chris. Guy. Yes. Guy. She just fainted. Yes. She just fainted. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so sorry about that, Chris. So sorry. Okay. Guy. It's not doing anything. Guy.
Rush her to my hospital. It's free. They won't charge you.
I told her mention that she has phobia for hospitals. She's always used to medical home services and the doctor is far away.
Look, Chris,
Come over now, please.
Hello, Chris. Yeah, we're coming.
Thank you, love.
Tell him we're coming.
Chris, I'll be right there.
Okay, thank you, my guy. Thank you.
Babe.
Yeah? Let's go. What is it?
We didn't have to do this. We're planning a family time.
Family time, right now. That's what... Are you being for real? Becky's fighting for her life. You're talking about family time. Babe, come on now.
Babe. I've also been feeling I should be home for now. Besides, I told you that I told them at the hospital not to call in for the next 3 days except for emergency. I don't feel cool about this.
When it comes to family, Becky is family.
Well, Becky can find a way to kill the phobia she has for hospital.
You did not just say that. Babe, really? Let's just go. Besides, you've already told him you're coming.
Okay. Fine. But I'll go alone.
What? That is not happening. Becky is my friend. Besides, I'm going to be here. I will die of anxiety before you come. We're going together. Let's just go. Let's go.
Pressing this.
I'm here. Let's go.
Hey, wait.
What?
You didn't check yourself out before coming out?
What do you mean?
You're staying, babe.
Babe, just give me a minute.
No, babe. I can't wait. maybe you stay back or find your way.
Find your way. Just go. I'll use an Uber. Hey babe, what's up? Hello, who's this? What? Oh my god.
Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you?
It's okay. God is your strength. We're here for you. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Hi. Sorry.
Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you?
Love. It's God that takes. It's God that takes. Everything will be fine.
Lovely, it's okay, yeah? Right. Lovely. Lovely, it's okay now.
Oh my god.
I understand.
It's okay. It's okay.
Shattered into pieces. There's no room to fix it again. Fix it again. I need you. How can I live this life without you?
What's wrong with you?
What's your problem? It's getting late. Let's be going.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Let's go. Huh? I cannot just leave her alone like that, okay? She just buried her late husband.
So?
All right? And she's been in the hospital ever since she lost him. So what are you talking about?
So, we have our lives to live now.
We are the only family here in Nigeria, okay? What's wrong with you?
Let's go.
Don't be
I have
insensitive.
been
Stop
crying
just
since
staying.
I have headache. Take me home. Let me go and rest.
You know what? Okay. You know what? I'm going back to her.
What's that supposed to mean? Come back. Please, let's go home, child.
What's wrong with you?
Babe, don't go.
Hey. Hey.
Where is he? Is he back?
Hey.
Wait.
Hey, come down. It's okay. Come here.
Where is he?
Everything is going to be
We're
okay.
here. We're here for you, yeah? Come. Sorry. We're here for you. Yes, sorry. It's okay. Everything will be fine. We're here for you.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Sorry. Oh yeah, let's go. Unlock the car.
Hey.
What?
Why?
Unlock the car.
Come here. Relax.
Oh yeah, talk.
I'm taking her home.
Never over my dead body. That's not going to happen.
What is wrong with you? What are you talking about? That's my house.
And we are getting married. It's also my house.
What's the problem? Why are you being this loud? Why are you being this aggressive? I thought Love is your best friend. Huh? I thought she's your best friend since I introduced you to a year ago. So why are you acting like she's a stranger? You are supposed to be feeling her pain right now. That's what you're supposed to be doing.
Not when you are falling in love with her. Yes, you are. You are falling in love with her. And for the record, her name is Lovelyn. Not Love. Lovelyn. Not your love. What is it? Oh, you think I didn't notice? I did.
Really?
Eh.
Is that how low you think of me? That I will be falling in love with my late friend's wife right after his burial?
Oh, so you can fall in love months later.
Will you shut up?
Don't touch me! What is it?
What's wrong with you? I am taking her home and I do not need your permission to do so. If tables turn right now, if something happens to me while we are married, Nelson will take care of you. He will support you and watch over you every day.
Chris, all this thing you're saying is long story. It's long story. It's not going to happen.
I'm taking her home. I don't give
It's also... But it's also my house.
Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. To fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. Fix it again. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you. I love you.
Love,
I need you.
can you at least come inside and eat something? You haven't eaten since yesterday, and it's not good for your health. No?
Tell me how to breathe again.
I think you should come in to eat, please. Please. I can make your favorite. Well, anything you want.
Are you seeing any tears on my face? Do you see anything? I'm not crying. I don't understand. What's happening now, Chris? You were there with her. Do you want to bathe her? Do you want to bathe her?
Why are you raising your voice?
Why would I raise my voice?
Can hear you. Why are you
And
raising
so
your
what?
voice?
Do I look like I care?
Huh? Come on. Listen, I'm just being there for my late friend's wife. Okay? My friend. In fact, her husband died because of us. He died trying to save you. Becky, the least that I expect of you is little empathy or understanding.
What sort of understanding are you talking about? You being all mushy with her? Hey, Chris, what's happening now? Just imagine, put yourself in my own shoes. And Lovely was the one that died. I badly wish she was. She should have just died and let everybody rest.
You badly wish she died?
Yes.
What? Are you for real?
At least then you'll be jealous as I am now. See, imagine me and Nelson being all mushy and cozy. Nelson standing in the bathroom waiting for me to finish bathing so he can towel my body and put cream on my body too.
Well, if I were in your shoes, I would care for Nelson. My friend, that's what I would do. What happened to that saying that women are there for women? Women stand for women. Women are there for... You are the one supposed to be there for her, not me. You are the one supposed to be doing the most for her, not me. Is she not your best friend? All of a sudden, you just switch off on her. And then even you just walk out on her on our arrival. Why?
I didn't switch off on her anything. I'm only protecting my space.
Protecting your space?
Yes.
For what purpose?
For my marriage.
For what purpose?
My marriage.
Stop this thing now, Becky. You know me. Huh? You know that I am a one-woman man. And you know I wouldn't do anything of that sort. This lady in there has a mental breakdown. Okay? And her emotions are messed up.
What about my own emotions? What about my own mental health? I'm messed up too, and you're just doing all of this is scaring me. Chris, just promise me you will stop all of this.
Hey, baby. Shh. I love you. You are my priority. But I just think that we should be... That love needs our help right now.
There you go again. What is it with love? See, from tonight, start calling her Loveline. But why do you keep cutting that name short? That phone, it's Loveline.
That is how we have always called her.
From now, call her Loveline. It's Loveline. And you'll be calling me Becky. Becky, every...
Babe, stop this thing now. Why are you doing this thing?
I've told you my piece, so call her Loveline. Call her Loveline. I don't understand what's happening in this house anymore. What is it? I will rest.
Babe. I understand how you feel. But I just want you to know that my heart belongs to you. It's for you. I understand that you feel insecure about this whole thing, but I just want to reassure you that I am not going anywhere. And no one is taking me away from you. You light up my life. Just like the sun, light up the air. You light up my life. The only one I ever seen with a smile so bright. Just yesterday, you came around on my way. You changed my whole scenery with your astonishing beauty. Oh, you gotta make a better sing. Ordinary things, supernatural being. I know. I love you, baby. I love you.
Hmm?
I love you.
Why must you use that word? You know she's here already. Eh? Be specific. You love Becky. Becky, the love of my life. Say it.
I love you, Becky. I love you, Becky. I love you, Becky.
That's better.
I love you,
That's much
Becky.
better.
I love you, Becky.
I love you too.
Okay, baby. Let's go. Just one.
What?
Let's do one now, baby.
No, I'm not in the mood.
Baby, come on.
I'm not in the mood. I'm not doing anything.
Throughout the whole phone, I've been missing you. I've been looking at you, staring at you.
Let's sleep. Good night, baby.
Don't do this. Come on, let's go. Hey, baby. Good morning. You're up already. I was actually planning for breakfast in bed, but you're up now.
Oh, sadly.
Why are you up? You don't usually wake up this early. What's happening?
Another woman is in my house, so I need to be up early.
Not again, babe. Come on.
What? It's the fact now.
Listen. I am only making breakfast for you. For me.
Yeah.
And for love.
Love lean. Say it with me, baby. Love lean. Add that lean inside. Say it.
Love lean.
Thank you.
So I would take this upstairs so that she eats first, then we can eat.
I don't understand. Do you expect me to eat alone? Let's eat, Joe, please.
No, don't worry. I'll just take this upstairs so that she eats
Love
first.
lean can come downstairs and join us in the kitchen. What's all this attention thing? It's beginning to irritate me. It's too early for this place. Chris. Come on, Chris. Chris. This girl is seeking too much attention. Chris! So what do you expect me to do?
You need to eat. You can't keep doing this to yourself. Nelson will be heartbroken to see how you're reacting to his demise. He will want you to live, to survive. Please. Eat. Please. Look, you're weak. You need strength. You need to eat to stay alive. Well, maybe you don't have appetite, yes, but you need food to stay alive. I don't want us going back to the hospital for drips and treatment and all that. I think you need family. You need people that love you around you. Please eat. Then I'll show you that everything is going to be fine.
Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. Oh,
The leave will last 1 month or more. And that would depend on how long she gets over the pain.
such a cold world without you.
Well, I will want the team to represent me in my absence. I trust your competence. I do not call you world best manager for no reason.
There's no room to fix it.
Okay, so I will forward the documents that I was working on to you so you can continue from where I stopped. Okay. All right, bye-bye.
Chris, don't tell me you're taking a full month's leave just because of her.
Yes, I want to help her.
And you say you've not fallen for her.
Now you listen, Becky. I don't like the fact that you think so low of me. I just lost my friend and you think that instead of me mourning him, I am desiring his wife. You don't trust anyone. You don't trust your gender. You don't trust men. I don't know who exactly you trust. See, I love you. But I will not let you take advantage of that.
Chris, you're not taking that leave. Chris! Chris, you won't be taking that leave, Chris! Hi, baby.
Hey, baby. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I just went to get water.
I'm going to get water. That's what I was going to get. Why did you get me water?
Oh, I didn't know you needed one. Let me get
Oh, no. It's fine. It's fine. Since you're here, it's okay. I'll go get water myself.
Babe, don't worry. Just relax. I'll get it for you.
I'm going downstairs. I'll get it myself.
Oh, okay.
I've been sitting down for long. I just want to stretch my legs.
Okay. Okay.
All right, baby.
Before he gets downstairs, she would have taken her life already. Ah, Becky, this is so wrong. You should have stopped her. Stopping her would be like shooting myself in the foot. I'll go and die. Ah, Chris is already falling for her and I cannot afford to lose him. Like yourself. Oh God, oh God, oh God, please forgive me. Oh, forgive me. But I didn't do anything now. She's the one killing herself.
God. Oh my God. Hey. God. Hey. Hey. Everything is gonna be okay. It's just a matter of time. You need to stay strong. You're still here for a reason. For a purpose. The purpose of which you would have to fulfill. And I will stand by you. I'll keep watching with you. Do not fear. I'm here. I have to get Love a therapist. I can't risk this. I owe Nelson this. I just hope Becky will understand and help me.
Oh my God. Is Loveling dead?
Hey. What do you think you're going to? What? What? To see who? Oh, your best friend? Loveling? Oh, Love? She's sleeping. She doesn't need disturbance. Hey, Love. I'm really really sorry, but I think that you need a therapist. I know that I'm going against your will, but you know my priority at the moment. This is a therapist.
Hello, love. I'm Dr. Jake, your therapist. I can help you heal.
So I'll leave the therapist with you. So, alright. Okay, please.
Hello, love.
Shattered into pieces. There's no room to fix it again. Oh, fix it again. I love you.
Hello, lovely. Can I call you love?
How can I live this life without you?
Okay. I will take that as a yes. How are you feeling today?
Tell me how to breathe again without you.
You know what? You don't have to say anything. We can just be here silent together. Okay?
How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you. You're my dreams, I love you.
I hope the therapy helps her heal fast enough. I don't understand why Becky can't understand that I love her. I thought all the sacrifices I've made in our relationship, including giving up my desire to have my woman cook for me, since she's asthmatic and may never cook, yet I decided to marry her. Loving her unconditionally. Why can't she trust me? Either way, I'll try my best to save our love, but not at the expense of love's life or safety.
Mommy, she takes all his time and energy. He doesn't even spend time with me anymore.
Becky, if you will listen to the voice of wisdom, Chris has proven his love for you countless times. He has always known this lady even before you came into the picture. And remember, her husband died while trying to save your life.
So, is that good enough reason for her to try to steal my man?
I'm sure that's the last thing on her mind. She's mourning her husband. Do you know how broken she will be?
Mommy, she's just putting up this whole act of a lady in distress. Oh, it's fake.
If you are wise, you should be there for her. Help her. Then Chris won't have any need to keep going closer to her.
Mommy, I can't oh. I can't. Eh? She's a backstabbing witch. I can't. It's not possible.
Stop it. Don't destroy your beautiful love story by yourself. Don't be the whip of fashion against your own self, Becky.
Mommy, are you supporting her? You're supporting a total stranger over your own daughter. I shouldn't have even said anything to you. It's a mistake. I'm telling you all of this.
He wasn't supposed to go. Maybe he was a good man. And he was a doctor. And he helped people. He promised me forever. I miss him so much. But I'm hurting so much and I don't want to hurt anymore. But I'm scared that if I stop hurting him, that means I've forgotten him. So I never know what to do. I just don't want to hurt anymore. I'm tired.
Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. To fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. Fix it again. I love you. I need you. How can I live this life without you? Show my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you. I love you.
What the hell is the meaning of all these things?
I don't understand anymore, Chris. This whole thing is tiring. You've been with her all through the day. What do
I
you expect?
am not in the mood for this.
You expect me to be cool with this? What do you want then? What do you want? You want to ask me to leave so you can have your way with her? Oh, I knew it. You're not saying anything. You've been fantasizing about her nakedness.
Yes!
What?
At least affect your thought, haven't I? Is that not what you want to hear? Is that not it?
Chris, you're raising your voice at me. Chris, you're raising your voice and you're pointing your fingers at me at the same time.
Enough.
Chris!
Enough.
Chris, you don't love me anymore. You don't love me anymore, Chris. And it's because of her. It's because of her. Lovely, no, whatever.
Enough.
Chris, you don't love me anymore. You don't love me anymore. And it's because of her. It's because of her.
Will you just shut up? Gosh!
You're screaming at me. You're screaming at me.
How can I live in such a cold world without you? Without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. To fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Without you. shattered into pieces. There's no room to fix it again. Oh, fix it again. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you.
You can cry, love. You can. It is therapeutic. Just let it out. The pain, the disappointment.
Oh, thank you so much. There's been a massive improvement since you started with her 2 months.
Thank God she's responding.
Yeah.
If we should continue at this pace, she will soon snap out of her grief.
Okay.
Depression or suicidal thoughts.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I'll keep in touch.
No problem.
All right.
Okay.
All right. All right. See you.
So, regarding the assignment you gave to me during our last session,
Okay.
I was able to put together a few, I don't know what to call them, words, phrases
Okay.
about myself and how I'm feeling about everything so far.
Okay.
So,
Let me hear it.
okay. The world is not against me.
Good.
Life is not against me.
That is good.
I am strong. I am joy,
Uh-huh.
even when I don't see it. I am a warrior. I'm a survivor. And I'm loved.
That is beautiful. Beautiful.
And now I can't. It's crazy how something as simple as my name, love, now has a better meaning.
Aha. That's all what life is all about. Situations actually give things a different meaning, better understanding. I could say you are now doing fine. That's good. I'm happy.
Like you said, healing is a process. So today I'm feeling better. I don't know what tomorrow is going to look like.
Tomorrow is definitely be better than today. I can always assure you that.
Hopefully, but Whatever the case is, I'm ready for the ride.
That's the spirit. Yeah.
Cry when you want to cry, love, and be happy every chance you get. One day at a time. That's what it takes to heal.
How was it?
It was surreal. It's my first time seeing the accident site. I don't know what made me think that asking questions was going to somehow make me feel better. But I didn't. And then I saw him. I went to the grave. And that did not help either. Rather, it just reminded me of my new reality. So, I don't know how I feel. My emotions are just all over the place.
Well, at least it's working. You going to the graveside, going to the accident scene. It's progress. Slow progress, still progress. So the therapy session is having a little impact on you, and it's good. I made your favorite. Yeah,
Really?
yeah, I made your favorite.
That's very thoughtful.
Yeah, so you're gonna come with me to the kitchen.
Okay. I've been meaning to ask.
Yeah.
Where's Becky? I haven't seen her around in a couple of days.
Oh, she's not around at the moment.
She good?
Yeah, she's fine.
Sure.
Sure. Let's go. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Trust me, you'll be surprised at what I make. I know it's your favorite. I knew it. I knew that you were gonna love it, and I knew
Hey. I should ask that.
Well done.
Man.
Hi.
Seductress. Eh?
Becky, would you just stop this?
Bex, are you okay?
How can I be okay? Just tell me. How can I be okay when you've ruined my relationship since you moved in here for the past 3 months? Eh? You have made my life a living hell, Loveling.
What's wrong with you?
What is it? Chris, don't even come close to me. Allow me to deal with her. Let me deal with this wicked prostitute. This daughter of Jezebel to be like that. Oh, hey, you want to fight? Chris, move. You want to fight? Bring it on! I'm ready.
Stop this.
Chris, stop this thing.
Stop this thing.
Stop it. You think you can steal my man like you killed your man? You want to come and carry my... See, Lovely, move away from my house, Chris.
Stop this thing.
Don't shout at me. What is it?
What's wrong with you?
What is it?
What's wrong with you?
Come back, come, let's fight. Come back, Lovely. Come now, come.
Stop this thing that you're doing. Why are you doing all these things? Huh? She's just getting out of depression
And so
you're doing
what?
all these things.
Was I the one that made her depressed? What is it? Eh? You never listen to me. I've been telling you this. What is it?
If you keep doing this thing, you're gonna leave my house.
Which house? This one.
I'm not for you.
I'm not following you. I'm going to Chris, move.
You're not going in.
Move.
Please, I don't want you to take it out on Becky. She was just...
can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. Oh, to fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you?
Thank you so much. Thank you so very much for always coming to pick me and take me to wherever I want to go to.
Here we go again.
You've been supportive. Allow me to appreciate you,
Okay.
Joe. Eh? Oh my God, thank you.
There she goes again.
What?
What do you think sisters are for? If I don't do it, who will?
You will do it again.
Of course. It's my
You see,
pleasure.
ever since I had that asthma attack while driving, I just developed this phobia for driving, and
I know,
you've
baby.
just
I
you're
know.
a wonderful person.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you for me. Oh my
It's
God.
not like I'm doing any work, Sha. I mean, I'm a stay-at-home wife with a husband that spoils me silly, so of course I can be a chauffeur.
That refuses to get paid. You won't even let me for your car.
But you know how to pay me. Just abandon Chris. I spend all your time with me.
Last, you'll be the one to propose to you. Speaking of which, do you think he's ever going to propose? Me, I cannot wait to get married. Marriage is hungering me.
Well, I can speak for him, but Chris is an amazing guy.
He is.
Yeah.
He is. And I love him.
I can see that.
Love him.
See, you're a finished woman.
I love him very much.
Okay, so maybe some of the time men need a bit of a nudge. So I'll see what I can do.
You do that?
Of course.
Oh my God.
Of course.
Oh my God.
What you think? I want to be wearing matching wedding bands with you, girl.
Yes. I can't wait to be his.
And pick your wedding
wearing
colors.
rings like you.
Yeah. Hey, my love.
Got you some food.
So this was why you guys took all the time in the kitchen for juice.
Yeah, for you.
And chin that I already made. Becky.
Becky.
Where's the
Becky.
bag? Where's the bag?
Wait, Chris, what's going on? What's wrong with my babe? Relax. She needs space. She needs to breathe. Okay, calm down. Becky, try to breathe. Breathe. Babe, hurry up! Give it to me. Hold on, babe, Chris. Try to breathe.
Yeah. Hey. Breathe, baby, breathe.
Okay.
You're fine.
Breathe.
Just breathe.
Try to breathe.
Breathe.
Come on.
Oh my God. Babe. Are you sure we shouldn't raise our head or something?
She's fine. Just support her.
Okay.
What's going on? What the hell is going on?
This is comfortable. I don't think this is comfortable.
What the hell is going on? Talk to me. What's going on? Hey, what is it? What's happening? Talk to me. What the hell is happening?
She has asthma. You can see that.
Asthma? Oh my gosh, she never told me.
I'm sorry, okay? She was scared of losing you. That's why she didn't say anything. I should have told you, but I knew it wasn't my place, so I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey, calm down. Calm down. Please, get your voice down. Calm down. I'm sorry. Please. I'm going to go now. Maybe, the other, maybe I should. When Chris introduced her to us, he wasn't very sure about her. I convinced him till he started loving her for real. I took her in, I accepted her as my sister. I never criticized her. I defended her always. I kept her secret. Why is she criticizing me now? Where did I go wrong? I encouraged Chris to propose to her. How can she not see me as a villain in her story? I convinced my husband to go save her. That trip that led to his death.
Hi, Chris. Guy. Yes, guy. She just fainted. Yes, she just fainted.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so sorry about that, Chris. So sorry.
Okay. Guy, it's not doing anything. Guy.
Rush her to my hospital. It's free. They won't charge you.
I told her mention that she has phobia for hospitals. She's always used to medical home services and the doctor is far away.
Look, Chris,
Come over now, please.
Hello, Chris. Yeah, we're coming.
Thank you, love.
Tell him we're coming.
Chris, I'll be right there.
Okay, thank you, my guy. Thank you.
Babe.
Yeah? Let's go. What is it?
We didn't have to do this. We're planning a family time.
Family time, right now. That's what... Are you being for real? Becky's fighting for her life. And you're talking about family time. Babe, come on now.
Babe. I've also been feeling I should be home for now. Besides, I told you that I told him at the hospital not to call in for the next 3 days except for emergency. I don't feel cool about this.
When it comes to family, Becky is family.
Well, Becky can find a way to kill the phobia she has for hospital.
You did not just say that. Babe, really? Let's just go. Besides, you've already told him you're coming.
Okay. Fine. But I'll go alone.
What? That is not happening. Becky is my friend. Besides, I'm going to be here. I will die of anxiety before you come. We're going together. Let's just go. Let's go.
Pressing this.
Why can't she return the same kindness that I have shown her? I guess it's true what they say. No matter what you do for people who don't like you, you will always be a villain in this story. And that's okay. I can't force her to see that I have the right intentions. And that I mean nothing but the best for her. And that I will never hurt her. It's all good. It is what it is. I am a strong woman. I am strong. Bex?
What the hell are you doing here? Please leave my matrimonial room.
Bex, I don't know what's going on, but I'm hoping that we can at least talk. And you say in your room. Bex, we've never had restrictions between each other. So why now?
Leave my matrimonial room, Loveling. I'm not going to say it again.
You and Chris are not even married. Nelson and I were married, but that didn't stop you from entering my room. So why are you saying this right now?
Oh, you're done? Leave. Don't make me push you. I'm okay. Begging you with God, Loveling.
Did I do something? If I did, tell me.
There you go again, Mrs. Nelson. Look, I'm not going to exchange words with you. I'm not in a good mood. So just get out. Move away, far away. Don't even come close to me, yeah? Go! You horrid snake.
Snake?
Yes, you are nothing but a snake, Loveling.
Since when? Since Nelson died? I don't understand what is going on. Since you came back today, you've said unprintable words to me. And I'm trying my best to understand it. Why would you choose now to do this? Why? Why now? Every single time you had a low moment, I was there. I've always been by your side. And now I'm low. You choose to react like this. You're kicking me when I'm low. You're supposed to be my sister, my friend. Since you came back...
Mother Teresa. See, go now. What is it? Please get out. Get out already. Allow me peace in my own house.
Becky.
What?
Is this who you've always been? You've been pretending all along. This is who you are. What is eating you up so much that you can't even tell me?
Loveling, you're trying to steal my man. You're trying to steal Chris from me. And I can't take it. It's not going to happen. Not while I'm alive.
Okay. I think there's been a mix-up somewhere. I am not interested in Chris. You say? I'm not interested.
But he is interested in you. And I don't like it. That's the bit I hate the most. See, I don't want any of this conversation. This whole thing. Get out.
You're making assumptions in your head. You're letting your insecurities take the...
Lovely, get out! I will fight you. Leave my matrimonial. Go out! Go! What is it? Move. I won't have peace in my own house. What is it? Every time, lovely.
Hey. So, did she listen?
Look, be patient with her, okay? She's scared. She's scared of losing you.
Scared of losing me? Come on, this doesn't make sense.
Chris,
No, it doesn't make
he
sense.
loves you. People do crazy stuff when they're in love. I guess she just needs you to reassure her that she's not losing you. I'm going to go to my room now. And no, you don't have to worry about me. Let's not fuel our insecurities. Just go talk to her, be with her, and actually be with her. I'm much better now. Okay?
I'm sorry about the inconvenience.
It's fine.
How can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again.
Hey.
Hey.
You're seriously leaving?
Where's Becky?
See, don't worry about Becky right now. Okay?
Chris, I just want to say thank you to her. I know this is your house, but she's still the woman of the house.
I know that.
Bex, thank you so much for letting me speak.
No,
it's okay.
I'm really sorry about everything, alright? But please
Nonsense.
stay. Okay?
Fine.
So you wanna leave? How do you cope? Huh? You need us. Okay? You need us to watch over you.
For how
care
long?
for you.
For how long? At some point, I'm going to have to be by myself again. So I might as well just start now. Besides, I'm doing way better.
Please, stay.
I wish I could, but I really have to go. Besides, you're one phone call away, right?
Come on. Just stay, alright? I'll take care of you.
Chris.
I want to watch over you.
And Chris, I'm fine. I promise. If I need anything, I'm going to call you.
I know, but you don't
It's
have to
fine.
leave.
It's fine, Chris.
Come on. You don't have to leave. Right? Come on, do see, listen to me.
Chris, stop it.
Such a cold world without you. Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. To fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. Fix it again. I love you. I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life Tell me how to breathe again without you. You're my dream. I love you.
Baby, I want to make love.
Huh?
Hey, I want to make love. You've been starving me for too long. I want to make love. I'm horny. Baby, now it's cold.
Christine, what are you talking about?
I want to make love, Joe.
Stop. What are you doing?
I will help you. Since you don't want to come inside, I will help you. I will even sit on... You want us to date here? Okay.
Hey, what is wrong
Pull
with
it
you?
now. See, I'm wearing dress. It won't even take much.
Okay. I'll make love to you.
Now you're talking. Get to Facebook.
Yes. Wait.
Get up now. You're taking too much time. You make me sweat now.
I will make you sweat.
Hey, baby. Yeah, let's go. Come inside now. I'm horny.
Okay.
Come inside, baby. I will buy a vibrator. Please.
Hey. Hello? I just called to find out if you settled in properly. And, I miss you, love. Can I come see you tomorrow?
Please. I don't think you should do that. I'm mourning right now and I don't want Becky insulting the memory of Nelson the way that you already did. Please, if your friendship meant anything, you stop contacting me and give me the space that I need.
Okay, it's fine. I understand. I'll pray for you. Okay?
Thank you.
How can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. To fix it again. Tell me, how can I live such a cold world without you. Oh, without you.
So you miss her that much? For the past weeks, you've been standing there and staring into the room she slept in. Why? So you can smell her scent? Chris, we need to talk. We need to talk now!
I'm done with you, Becky.
Huh?
You and I are over.
I don't understand.
I am done with you. You ruined everything. So, I want you to freaking get out of my house.
Chris, stop joking. I came here so we'll start planning how to prepare.
Get out of my house! You psycho!
Why are you now shouting? Calm down.
I said get out!
Chris, I'm the lover.
No. Get out!
Cut into pieces. There's no room to fix it again. Oh, to fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces. There's no room to fix it again. Oh, fix it again. I love you. I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Mama. I didn't mean it. I know I've been mean and wicked to you, and you had the opportunity to do with me whatever you wanted, but you still saved me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, please. Please. You've been nothing but kind to me, and I took everything for granted. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, please. Please, I beg you, love. Please, please. Please forgive me. Please. Say something, please. Say something, please. I'm sorry, honestly. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. Forgive me. God knows. Never thought about taking him away from you. Not for 1 second. You were my best friend. And I'm loyal to our friendship. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about what happened between you and Chris. He told me. I'm sorry that you tried to get back with him and it didn't work out. But it's all going to be fine. I'm going to talk to Chris. Oh, no, don't. I don't deserve him. I don't. I just need you to forgive me right now. That's all I need. Sid. No, just tell me you're forgiving me first, please.
Bex, I forgive you, Sid.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I did a horrible thing, please.
And I forgive you, Sid.
Oh, thank you so much, oh my God.
I know that he's mad right now, but it's you and Chris we're talking about.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't mean anything. No, he deserves better, don't you think?
Oh, what are you talking about? You both love each other. You're just going through a rough patch. But you'll get through it. I'm going to talk to him.
Don't. Please don't. Just leave him be. I mean, I was at his place a few days ago, but he threatened to call the police on me, so don't worry about it. Don't worry.
I'm sure he didn't mean it. He's mad right now. Just give him a bit of space.
Love. Just promise me. Promise me that if he opens up to you, you'll give him a chance. Yes, I mean, Chris has always liked you. And you like him too, so just...
What? What are you talking about? What are you going on about?
You like him too, right?
Not in that way. Chris is my brother. He's my friend. Nothing more.
Wait. Are you saying I ruined my relationship based on assumptions and insecurity?
You thought I had feelings?
Yes, I thought you did. I mean, I saw it and I got jealous. I didn't want to accept it.
Even if he had feelings for me, I wouldn't even pay attention to him. You're my sister and I'm mourning. This is not even a conversation we're supposed to be having.
Oh my God. What have I done? What have I done? Oh my God.
You're so wrong.
No, please just forgive me. Just... Oh my God. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You should have just asked. You should have spoken to me.
I only made assumptions. I should have asked. Why did I ask?
It's okay.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
Sorry. Excuse me. Hello? Yes. Oh, the visa is ready. Yes, I'll drop by your office to pick it later. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bex, what visa? What's happening?
I'm relocating to America to meet my mom. Yes, I need change of environment. I need fresh air. Probably get a new job.
Oh, we're just talking about getting back together
And
with
I
Chris.
told you, I don't deserve him.
No, well, I'm going to talk to him. Like I said, it's a rough patch. You don't have to leave. Please don't go.
Okay. Talk to him while I go to my mom's. If he says he wants me back, then let me know. But I need change of environment. I need to go. Okay. Oh, I'm going to miss you so much.
It's been 2 weeks now. You have refused to visit. Refused me visiting. I want you to know you're still in my heart. And I'm praying for you. Hello, Caleb. Alpha. I need you to send something to a friend for me. I will send you the caption and the address. Thank you.
Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. Oh, to fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, there's no room to fix it again. Oh, fix it again. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you. You're my dreams, I love you. in such a cold world without you. Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. Oh, to fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, and there's no room to fix it again. Oh, fix it again. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you.
Yeah. Thank you. I hope everything is ready. All right. So how about into a decoration? Oh, thank you so much. But I haven't seen the video. You sent it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, I'll check it out. All right. Thank you. I'm on my way to pick the documents. So I'll meet you at the office. All right. Thank you so much for doing this for me. All right. Bye. Hey.
Hi.
Hi. For you.
Thank you.
Oh my God, I missed you. So, how have you been?
I'm good, as you can see. You don't look bad yourself.
Well, thank you. You know, for a moment I thought that you cut me off. Yes, because I called to see you and then you turned me down. And then I requested that you come over to my place and then you refused. Honestly, I felt you acted that way because of the backstabber. Becky.
Oh. Okay. First of all, I would never cut you off. Never. And since you've mentioned it, I want to apologize for Becky.
No. You don't need to apologize, love. You know, I don't want us to talk about it. I moved on. And I am not going back to her again. She's not the kind of woman that I want to be with. And thank God, through you, I was able to decipher that. Now I'm at a happy place. I moved on. And I'm only here to tell you something very important.
What is it? What?
For you.
What is this?
Yes.
When? How?
Well,
Did you do this?
this was even before you left my house months ago. This was Nelson's dream. You know, he planned to gift you this restaurant for your 30th birthday. But unfortunately, he couldn't execute it. Hey, it's okay.
Yeah, it's whatever. It's Chris, thank you so much for the messages, the prayers, the gifts, the calls, even when I wouldn't pick them. You're an amazing friend.
You're welcome.
Okay, so
Now, okay, I will now officially introduce you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the CEO of Love Cousin, Miss Lolly.
thank you again.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I could.
Okay, all right.
Your favorite.
Oh,
Wait here.
no, I'm not waiting here. I'm joining you in that.
Okay, if you say so.
Oh my God, what did you make?
Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Oh, without you. Shattered into pieces, there's no room to fix it again. To fix it again. Tell me, how can I live in such a cold world without you? Without you. Shattered into pieces, there's no room to fix it again. Fix it again. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you. I love you, I need you. How can I live this life without you? You're my dreams, lonely without you. Tell me how to breathe again without you.